Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add customer reviews on your Wix website. So first is head over to wix.com and of course, make sure that you're logged into your account. Next, in the left panel, click on Edit Site. You will then be redirected to your Wix website editor page. And from here, in the right corner, you should be able to see a search button. Click on it and we're just going to type in review. And from here, you can see here testimonials strips. This will display positive feedback and reviews from your customers. And you may want to click on this. And from the left panel, you can start choosing design that will be added on your Wix website. So just drag and drop it to your website. And now this is how it's going to look like on your site. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!